Namaste, folks. It's exactly 12 o'clock on the 1st of June, and I'm sitting here moving into our quantum healing moment. I sit here in New Zealand, which is said to be the place where the sun first hits the world, and it tends to align with the international date line. However, this is a quantum healing moment, which means the energies in this moment we dedicate to all, and we dedicate it to the quantum dimension of energy. So we bring our love, our blessings, our openness to receive and give at this moment. And we do the same at the same time around the world for each one of you. So for some it might be 18-20 hours in linear time before you sit for your quantum moment. But being a quantum moment, it is only one moment. So it really doesn't matter what time you sit. We add to this particular moment a momentum. And a momentum of our love, our unity, our coming together around the world. So as in linear time it starts here, now, where I am in time, there in this now, you will sit in your now. And there is this wave that goes around the world that over the 24 hours, a synchrony of our unity, which gives it an added dimension of wave. And this is the wave of love. This is the wave of the World Wide Web of love. And we create this moment, this 5 or 10 minutes of sitting in the peace that passeth all understanding and allowing things to be as they are. So as I go within, the universe is perfectly unfolding everywhere, just as it does, as it is. And I sit in the knowing of that, and that peace, total peace, was what is within and without. And I entertain the possibility of the company of heaven for each and every one of us and for us all, as we are present in this quantum moment. I so love you, and so it is.